How to draw a Santa Claus zombie. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by making two circles right above the center of our page. These will be the eyes. On the inside of those circles that we just made, we're going to begin to add in the pupils by drawing smaller circles. We're not going to draw them in the center, we're going to draw them off to the sides to make it appear as if our Santa Claus has crazy zombie eyes. Beneath the eyes, we're going to begin to draw the nose by using a big U-like shape that will be connected to the eyes. Right above the eyes, we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows by making sideways triangle-like shapes. Next, connected to the eyes and going around the eyebrows, we're going to begin to draw the bottom of Santa's hat. This will be similar to a curvy rectangular shape. Well done! Now we're going to begin to draw the outline of the face. We're going to draw it connected to that curvy rectangular-like shape that we previously drew. That looks fantastic. Now we're going to begin to draw the mustache, which will be connected to the nose. We're going to make the mustache in two parts. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in, where you can pause the video and color in and match your colors if you please. Now right below the mustache, we're going to begin to draw the nose. We're going to draw the tongue along with an open mouth. On the inside of the mouth that we just drew, we're going to add in 3 teeth that will be square-like shapes. On the inside of the mouth, we're going to fill it in black, everything except the teeth that we just made. For the next step, we're going to move above the head and we're going to begin to draw the top of Santa's hat. On the top end point, we're going to add in a circle. On the left and right hand side of the head, we're going to begin to draw the ears by using simple C-like shapes. On the insides, we're going to make a simple design. Awesome, now we're all done drawing the head. Now right below the head, we're going to begin to draw the top portion of the shirt. When we draw the shirt, we're going to make a lot of jagged edges. All done drawing the top of the shirt? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now we're going to begin to draw the belt. We're going to begin by making two square-like shapes, one inside of another, right below the middle point of the shirt. Nice belt buckle. Now we're going to draw the sides of her belt. Each side will have jagged-like edges. Next, we're going to draw three more shapes. The next shape will be a long rectangular-like shape beneath the belt, which will be the bottom of the shirt. The next shape that we make will be the top of the pants. Later on in the video, you're going to notice that this will be colored in white. We're going to make it a little bit longer than the edges of the belt and shirt. Now for the third shape, it will be the same length as the first shape that we drew above what we just made. Now we're almost all done with the lower portion of the body, but first we have to draw the legs as well as feet. We're going to begin by making the legs. The legs will be very skinny, but if you want to make yours a little bit thicker, then that is okay as well. Now for the feet, you can draw 2 feet or you can draw 2 boots. On the left side, I'm going to draw 1 foot, which later on in the video you're going to notice will be colored in green, and on the right hand side, I'm going to draw a boot to give it a real zombie look. A little over to the right, I will begin to draw the boot. Do you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials? Do you enjoy watching them every single day? If you do, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials. And if you're subscribed, you can also make art requests, so that if we have not yet drawn something, you can request it and we'll draw it for you. Now we're almost done, but we just have a few more steps. We have to draw the arms, hands, as well as the middle portion of the shirt. First, we're going to hop onto the right hand side, and we're going to begin to draw the first arm. We're going to make an edged sleeve as if it is ripped. Coming out of the sleeve, we'll draw the rest of the arm as well as the hand. Nicely done! Now on the arm, I'm going to add in a little circle for detail. This little circle will be later colored in a darker green than the rest of the body to make a zombie spot. Let's move to the left side so that we can draw a second arm. Next, on the inside of the shirt, we're going to draw 2 lines that are going up and down, right beneath the head. This is how to draw a zombie Santa Claus. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you have a happy Halloween. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. If you enjoyed today's drawing of a zombie Santa Claus, then click to the left to see more Halloween drawing tutorials. If you want to see more zombie drawings, then click to the right to see our zombie pineapple drawing.